Milk or orange juice?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started, so if the rest of you could just come and take your seats. Yeah, it'll be there later. So yeah, just come on, let's fill in the circle. Okay, well, we're a couple minutes after, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. One of you is missing, but that's fine. I guess the best way to begin is by introducing ourselves. I'll go first. My name is Heather Sage Christensen. You can call me Sage or Heather, either is okay. I'm 25 years old. I'm a graduate of Humboldt State University, psychology. I worked at Ben & Jerry's for 6 years, but because my love has always been to help people, after graduation I joined the Peace Corps. And that's where I learned my true passion in life. What we're doing right here. Helping people, like yourselves, overcome the debilitating social disorders that prevent you from acting normally in society. In other words, we're gonna learn how to make friends. Yay. So, let's go around in the circle and introduce ourselves. Let's start with you.
I thought we were gonna go clockwise. You know, like dealing cards.
Well, this isn't poker, so why don't you start?
Okay, well, I'm Merle.
Oh, okay. I'm Catherine.
Wait, Merle, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Oh.
For instance, what do you do?
Okay, well, I'm Merle Stanton, and I work at toll booth number 7 at the Bay Bridge. Well, sometimes number 4, but I like number 7 the best. It's a good job. I've been there for 9 years. Sometimes I get a little tired, though. You know, the cars keep coming.
Any day now. Oh, come on. Let's go. Move it.
And now with Fast Track, there's just no interaction. But the other day,
Oh, okay. Yeah. Why don't we just move a little to our... You guys,
Yes, we are. We are married. I'm Catherine O'Connor, and this is Thomas O'Connor, my husband. We moved here from Wisconsin about 3.5 months ago. Go Packers. I'm a homemaker, and he's in real estate and selling vacuum cleaners. You know, it's just real hard here in San Francisco. Things are so different, and there's a lot of weird people and... Oh. Well, I didn't mean weird like crazy or different or weird or... It's just real different.
No, honey, that's Powell Street right
First
up
of all,
there.
honey, you're holding the map backwards.
No, I'm
okay? You're
not.
holding it like
No,
that,
the
and then
map
we're gonna
is
go
like
this
a
way.
book.
Now,
It's
but
like
turn
a
it around,
book.
okay?
No,
Turn-
I'm not
now,
going to turn
this
it
is
around.
Calvo
It's not
Street
the way
here.
it goes. Excuse me, sir. Oh, my God.
Oh, God,
Oh, God.
he's being... He's your name. Oh, my God.
It's just so much of a change, you know, and it's hard to make friends. And I guess that's why we're here, you know, to make some nice friends and meet some nice people. Okay, then. That's it.
Well, that leaves me a lot to say. Gee, thanks, honey. Well, my company offered me the opportunity to transfer to San Fran, and, you know, well, I always liked the Beach Boys and thought California would be neat, and, you know, it's the Sunshine State. Or is it? That's Florida. Well, anyway, I grabbed my high school sweetheart here, and I said, you know, we're moving. And, well, it's been hard. I've, had to start selling vacuum cleaners and dustbusters. But I was actually voted Mr. Congeniality, you know, in high school. So I don't even really know why we're even here, you know. But, well, I guess that was Wisconsin, and this is San Francisco.